Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Good morning. Morning, Kim, Isaiah. Stay tuned. Positive. Undivine, Rafa, Jack, Kirk, Zach. What positions we got today, chat? None yet so far, except those swing calls. Awesome, Jack. Yep. I hope you got the email. Good morning, Brian, Eddie, Juan. What's going on? Happy Friday, everyone. Happy Friday. Good morning. Smiley. All right, so this morning we've got the dollar falling as well. So let's see if the dollar falling a bit translates into the market being a bit bullish. Something wrong with my trading view. It shows the futures are up like 1%. I'm not sure if everyone else is having that issue. Good morning, Special. Top Cat. Good morning, guys. All right, so we're seeing money flow into the tech. Big tech is holding the market up because the NASDAQ is having some strength. That strength is being permeated into the S&P. The SPY has major resistance here at 445.70. Has major support at 445.15. 445.70 is major resistance on the SPY. Let's see if we can break above that. That would be pretty awesome. And we see money. Basically, the IWM is flat so far for the open. See if the IWM can also start showing some bullishness. Tesla, Apple, Microsoft, Facebook, Google. Okay, we're at resistance. Okay, this is major resistance here on the SPY. We need to see how we're going to respond. Let us see. But so far, the dollar is red. So once again, generally when the dollar is red, it's good for the market. So let's see if we get some more bullishness. The NASDAQ is the clear winner and the clear victor at the moment. Very nice, very nice. Lots of strength, very nice. Let's see if it can continue. What we really want to see is if the IWM can hold support as well. If the IWM can hold support above 184.12, then the market should continue to rise. It'll give some time for the NASDAQ to take a break because this strength is not going to sustain itself. It's going to get a pullback and then a retest of support. So while that happens, right, on the SPY and on the NASDAQ, while we get a pullback, I want to see if the IWM can hold support as well. That would be ideal. Wow. So on days like this, don't really want to lean short. The IWM is holding support. This would normally be a really good short. If it makes another high, then we can take a scalp short. We have resistance on the SPY at 446.14. So we're starting to stagnate at resistance. Let's see if we can get one more push higher. That would be a much safer short. But right now is also let's see. So 446.14 is resistance and 445.69 is support on the SPY. The IWM trying to hold above 184.12. Now it's at support. The IWM can hold. SPY is at support. See if the support can hold. I wouldn't want to go long here. This isn't like a good dip buying opportunity. Still, we should still usually get one more push to the downside. Hmm. Yeah, this is not safe to go long still. Going long at 445.70 was really risky, but they made it work. But now we're at resistance again. Also, guys, the YouTube video for like the trade recap where I would go over the trades. I'm not gonna post that today. I'm gonna post that tomorrow afternoon. So like Friday's YouTube videos, I'll post them over the weekend. So for the trade recap, I'm also gonna post tomorrow. And the market recap, I might also post tomorrow, but I'll definitely post that on Sunday if I don't post it tomorrow. Yep. So yesterday I was showing that Apple had a lot of I wasn't showing, but I was saying in the YouTube video that Apple had a lot of buyers. So see that Apple is up 1.3%. Harmful took profit on the SPY calls at the high of day. Was that a bad decision? No. Profit is profit. Are you still holding GME? Yes. Morning gardening. No, we're just holding on to swing calls. Yeah, thanks. Thanks, Juan. Yeah, everyone that's watching the stream, can you guys like the video? It would really help. Enma, no, I don't stream on Twitch anymore. I just stream primarily on TikTok and on YouTube. This is the S&P 500. We're trading the options on the S&P 500. This is the 1 minute chart. This is a 1 minute chart. Yeah, the longer we stay here like this, the more bearish. Be very, very risky to try to go long here. I know this looks like a bull flag, right? But not a safe opportunity to go long. If they're gonna rip it up, they have to rip it up when they try to make it look very bearish. So now, like, a candle like this would be ideal. They had, you know, well, like, what I'm saying is if they want to rip it up, they're gonna have to make it look bearish first. But either way, this is not a really solid long opportunity. See, they have enough buyers to step in. I doubt it. Hope everyone's day is going well so far. You guys had a good morning so far. Okay, well, it looks like that was that little bearish fake out where they wanted people to basically be bearish or rip to the upside. Now let's see if there's buyers to rip it up higher. But I really just don't like price action. There's so much indecision during this time period. Peter, always look forward to your recap video. Thanks, man. Thank you. I really appreciate it. Like the video, y'all. The real cookies. Good morning. Still trying to finish. Apple trying to bust 180. Yeah. Apple had a lot of option sellers, or they were selling the 175 puts. So if they were selling puts, that's like there was an enormous amount of buyers and then also option sellers for app yesterday, which was very, very bullish. Wow, there's 224 people watching YouTube. That's crazy. Top Cat, I watch TikTok, but I was on YouTube. TikTok has an audio. Hmm. TikTok and YouTube have like close to no delay. The reason why I stopped streaming on Twitch is because when I would multi-stream, it would make YouTube like way slower. Future, good morning. Are you guys in any trades? No, we're currently not in any trades. We're holding on to swings, or we're holding on to 447 calls that we got at 443, and we're holding on to 450 calls that we got at 447. So we're just holding on to those swings. Yeah, you call out when you get into a position. Yeah, so I make it very clear when I'm entering and exiting positions. So basically, we're trading the options on a 1 minute time frame on the SPY. So when I say that I'm going long, I'm buying the closest dated expirations and the closest at the money contract. And if you don't want to watch the stream, you can download my app. You could go to joinwave.io, or you could just simply go into your. Basically, it's an app that shares trades live completely for free. So you have multiple traders on there. You could see everyone's success rate. You could see everyone's trades live there, and you get push notifications every time someone enters and exits, completely for free. So you can simply go to your app store or your Play Store and type in Wave Get Signals. You could type Wave Get Signals, or you could click on my bio, or you could go to the website on the screen. But right now, we're just waiting for a setup to take a day trade. And if there is no good setup, then we're not going to take a trade. We've already, every day trade that we took so far this week has been a win. So we're not going to just forcibly take any trades for no reason. And yeah, I don't say that for everyone to become like aggressive with the next trade setup. Losses are always possible. So please make sure, if you're also new to the stream and you're watching on the For You page and you want to see like how I do, just play it light, or just, you know, just watch. Just, yeah. Still trying to finish out that SPX gap. We do a longer at 445.21. Yeah, that sounds a bit better. Waiting for a dip like that to go long sounds better. Yep. Tanner, yes, we're in. I'm still holding on to GME calls. Travis, dollar is dipping, so the market should be pumping. Yeah. When the dollar is weak, the market should be bullish. So I'm assuming we should continue to be bullish, but just this setup, in my opinion, still just not a good long opportunity. And I would rather look to buy lower. But we have to see. Yeah, I'm not going to look to force any trades today. King Kong, good morning. Positive, no background sounds. I have to look for royalty free like music. Basically, I keep getting hit with copyright claims. JD. Okay, so SPY has support at 445.40, which is a 50 SMA. We broke below 445.70. This is still not a safe opportunity to go long. We should still be falling a bit lower. Buyers are, let's see, honestly. Buyers are taking their time to bring this up. The IWM made a new low, painted a green candle. Let's see if the IWM could break above 183.74. The NASDAQ is continuing to make some big red candles. Broke below VWAP just now. See if it can hold close to. Yeah, so far today, the price action has not been as clean as it was for this entire week. Definitely different. See if SPY and the NASDAQ can both break above VWAP. They're both holding at VWAP right now. And again, 445.80, 445.70. Major resistance levels. So I'm being more hands off with the market right now. I'm not forcing anything short because obviously the market, it didn't give that clean of a short. So it would have been a better short if we consolidated like this. Let me make sure you guys. So the reason why I didn't go short is, so it would have been a better short is, you know, if we consolidated, right? I wanted us to break above and then I wanted to short up here. this was not high enough for me to take a short. Like, there's no point. I didn't want to force anything. And it's basically similar situation of why I didn't want to go long. So as we broke below support, right, I wanted us to fall back to at least 445.30, or I maybe even lower, right, before going long. And this is a sort of similar day to, I think it was Monday, where they weren't they weren't making it easy for people to get like the safest opportunities. They were forcing people they were forcing people to take longs and shorts at the first instance of the opportunity to do so. They didn't make it extremely safe. So an extremely safe long opportunity would have been down here at the prior at the breakout candle or closer to 445, right? But what they did is they forced people apparently right now to go long at the first instance of support at 445 50. So they're making it it's pretty interesting right now. And I am not that interested to try to catch these catch all of these moves at the moment. There are tons of times when the market moves more fluidly. So I'm just gonna keep being patient and playing the market at the most optimal times. If this goes to 446.50, 447, our calls are gonna be up huge. So our swing calls are gonna be fantastic. So I don't want to get chopped around in weird price action for the day trades at the moment. Mm-mm-mm. Or 46.14, major resistance on the SPY. Let's see if it can finally get some, create some strength above that. And 184.12 is major resistance on the IWM. Wow. 446.46 is resistance on the SPY. Went and almost tapped it. On Cheeto, thanks for the rose. A Apple call for next week. Is it okay? No, it's risky to go long now at 180. 180 is resistance on Apple. If you want, it's very, very risky though. Showing some wicks at 446. 50 resistance. The IWM is at the 200 SMA. The NASDAQ is almost at high of day. So the SPY is outperforming the NASDAQ in terms of relative strength currently because the IWM started getting its act together. So as the IWM started getting its act together, that strength permeated into the SPY while the NASDAQ had some time to cool down. Okay. One more push up. Close to, so there's a level of resistance here closer to 446.70. That might be a better time to go short. But then that would be okay. So 446.65, and then above that, the only other resistance above that is then 447.16 on the spot. Honestly, just rip it up. Just rip it up. Rip it up one last time, and then we could short. That would be the safest. Honestly, that would be a really safe opportunity to short, in my opinion. Dollar is falling a bit more as well. Weird day. Weird sort of not weird, interesting. Yeah, I wanted just a little bit higher before going short. That would have been the safest opportunity. But like I said earlier, they're basically just making us go short or go long at the first instance of, you know, weakness or strength. So I wanted to go long a little bit down here, but then it bounced at the first instance of resistance. And then I wanted to go short a little bit up here. And then they shorted at the first instance of weakness. What is what it is. I'd rather be... it is what it is. Let's just see if there's like a really good setup. That would be nice on a good Friday. Make it a nice old Friday. Noor, yeah, I need this to fall. A Wednesday, yes. Will we test 450 next week? That would be nice. I wouldn't mind. Not sure. Ooh, yeah, I missed. Stay tuned. I should have went long. My mind said go long. A good long opportunity. It continues looking short. Darren, so when the institutions get back to work on Monday, you think we go higher? I want to swing the SPY long, but it looks shaky. Tough to say. We have CPI data coming out Wednesday, and then Friday is when the options expire. Triple witching. So CPI data might be bad. Let's see. There's a lot. So if CPI data is bad, that could actually be good for the market. That would mean that the Fed would pause hikes or cut. So once again, generally this going long here would not be a clean long opportunity. But because so far the theme has been they're making people go long or short at the first instance of strength or weakness, it bounced. And if this continues to bounce, it should not really do that. So, because generally this would not be the case. Generally what would usually happen is it would bounce to a level of resistance and then fall back down and make a new low. Yeah, this is almost a carbon copy of the price action and the momentum, like the feeling of the market on Monday. They weren't giving people extremely safe trade opportunities. They were forcing people to basically be aggressive or take extra shots, basically. Tuesday. Yep. What are your blue lines on top and the bottom? So this is just the Bollinger Band. We're looking at the Bollinger Band on a 1 minute time frame. So this is just the Bollinger Band on a 1 minute time frame. I didn't do any other configurations to it. This is the inbuilt 20 exponential moving average. So at least our the swings that we got yesterday are up over 20%. The 447 calls that we bought at 443, they're up for October 6th. Which is nice. This is the price action. Has not been super clean. No, this is the Bollinger Band. This is we're looking, this is the 1 minute chart. This is the Bollinger Band. Bro, I have a question. Can you open guest? Oh, you could just type it in the chat and then yeah. You near your app wave is so clean. Thanks, man. Open we see 447 seems like 30 minute chart. You missed. Yeah, if CPI comes in too hot, then the market would be forward looking and expect that the Fed won't have will be more lenient with the rates. Darren, yeah, happens fast. It's okay. He seems like a lot of strength just the way it snapped up fast. So I expect maybe a 445.80ish retest, but with this market's movements when they do break into yeah, so like 445.70 area would be like the equivalent of like a safer opportunity to go long after a pullback. But now, like with this setup, if it hit 445.70, 445.80, that would actually be a bit more bearish. It would actually be a bit more bearish. It would most likely like try to retest below because if we break this bullish pattern here, they're trying really hard to keep it up, and then we fall down here, then this would be difficult to try to long there. So it might just bust through and run crazy. Yeah, basically. Because of that. Watching market just be sharp. Both are up 100%. Nice, man. Yeah, I mean, the fact that you, just in general, guys, the fact that you guys are watching these movements and they end up playing in your favor, that in and of itself is a blessing. So you need to be cognizant of the fact that you guys are watching the market and you're predicting what's going on properly. Then the only other thing is just being able to execute, whether that's mentally being able to execute or physically being able to place the trades. But the fact that you guys are watching things and they end up doing what you think they're going to do, that's amazing. You should not take that for granted. The majority of people in the world are not able to do this. And yeah, the fact that you guys are here and doing this and putting in the work and the effort, time, day in and day out, don't ever, talk bad about yourself for trying to make this work. You're doing something knowing that it's going to pain you and stress you out, but you have the long-term vision in mind, guys. So that is commendable and respectable. This is not a short. This would not be a short opportunity. The safest opportunity would be another rip higher, but we know what's been happening so far. So let's see. Oh, like profusely right now. Lynch bird. That being said, super salty. I didn't. Yep. It is what. It's okay. Stay tuned. Should be short. No, this isn't really. Hmm. Yeah, I'm gonna have a lot to talk about in the video for tomorrow. Trade recap stuff. I'm gonna try to explain like the concept of. I'm gonna try my best to explain like the concept of like risk and everything as well, but like for now, right? Basically, what we can understand is when the market moves at the first instance of the first signs of a move, you're risking that you're gonna have to average in. So today, instead of getting to the point where we would enter too early in the longs or enter too early in the shorts, I wanted to wait for the best, safest opportunity to go long or short. And the best, safest opportunities for longing and shorting did not appear. So that is the issue for the day trades at the moment. I needed that top cat. This is setting up for a nice 1030 reversal. Like if we break above 447, then that would be like if we break above 447.20, things like that, that would be a much safer opportunity to go short. Something like a little bit higher. Adrian, I needed that sentence. Waited for a setup for 2 days. I walk off. Setup happens. Welcome to trading, my brother. It's life. Happens to the best of them. Okay. Omer, can you teach me how to stay consistent with trading? Omer, you should go into the Discord for Wave, and in there you will see a document for a trading journal. You should keep track of all of your trades, and really, you should really keep a trading journal. It's very important. That is the number one thing. So learning indicators, price action, everything like that, that's fine. You could learn all the tools and moving averages and indicators and patterns that you want. But learning, monitoring a trading journal, like, was the thing that made me profitable and was the thing that made me consistent. So that was like the one thing that I was missing. So I would definitely recommend every single person that is not consistent, if you guys are not happy with your trading, you guys need to have a trading journal. I can't stress that enough. I think we have to take profit on the swings. The October 6, 447 calls. They're up 25%. And the market is stagnating here. We could get up. Wow. All right, start to move fast. Interesting. Very okay. All right, I just took some profits on the 447 calls, holding on to runners. Okay. Decent move. Good trade. We caught it at 443. Climbed up to 447 on a pretty nice, safe October 6th contract. Not bad, honestly. Let's see if this is actually a better time to go short now. Also, you know, when the swings are working, it also helps like alleviate the pressure of wanting to force trades. So that's, you know, it's nice as well. I hope you guys were in the swing calls. This is a good short. Damn. But as soon as I sold the calls, man, we should have just went short. Usually what ends up happening. Ooh. Mm. Well, interested to see how the contracts moved. Damn, they're moving pretty nicely. This probably would have been at least 20%. This should continue falling lower as long as it remains below 446.80. This is another good shorting opportunity. With 446.80 as a stop loss. And then at least 446.20 we should hit. We had a perfect trading week, I think, this week. I think. Yeah, I don't think we lost a trade. Yeah. Every time when we're day trading, whenever I sell calls, that is usually an amazing opportunity to go short. And then that's what ends up happening. Market should not be bouncing. It should be falling back down to 446.20. Mango, hey, what's up? Sin, what are we doing this morning? We're missing we're missing trades. Sold right on time, just took my 20%. Nice. What trend lines do you use as indicators? Any trend lines of support and resistance and patterns stuff. Top cat, I'm gonna keep beating this market $20 at a time. Do it. $20 is huge. What are your thoughts on 30? Well, everything should be bullish as the dollar is bearish. So we should continue to be bullish as the dollar is weak today. Any book recommendations for a beginner? So I have all of the education and everything, like documentation, videos, courses, everything that you would need to watch and read, like completely for free inside the app. So if you go to the app store and type in Wave Get Signals, or you click on the link in my bio, all of that is inside the app. You could download it, and you'd be able to join the Discord and be able to download everything inside the Discord. But you would have to download the app first. The app is free. It shares all trades, everything, entry, exit, completely for free. And it shows the success rate of every trader on the app for free as well. Yeah, you know, honestly, um, like years ago, like, and it happens to everyone. You just have to, like, learn from it. But when you make a trade, when you miss a trade, like, for example, for me, right, when I would miss a trade, I would get very, very upset. It would make me tilted, and then the next few trades that I would take would be completely terrible. I would be taking trades completely based on emotion, either out of anger that I missed the prior trades, or out of FOMO and anxiety of wanting to get the move that I missed. And none of that is worth it. None of that is worth it, because it's way better to just be patient and just look at why you missed the opportunity and learn from that, instead of digging yourself into a deeper hole. You missed the trade already. Don't make it worse by taking a bad trade and losing money, you know? Yeah, honestly, the reason why I took some profit was because the market was not going to be able to sustain the move to the upside. And if the market wasn't going to sustain the move to the upside, it meant that it was going to fall. So we should have just entered short. But, you know, it's life. Okay. So there's the drop to 446.20. All I can say is no one will become a millionaire overnight. If you miss some trade opportunities, there is always another day. But what you don't have is more money. So if you take bad trades and you lose a lot of money, that's not going to come back. So, you know, it is what it is. Laugh off the fact that you missed some trades. It's better to not take trades than it is to chase and lose money. Still, it's too early to go long, in my opinion. It would make more sense to try to go long closer. Yeah, it's just not. This isn't a great long, to be honest. Yeah, today was basically a carbon copy of the price action from Tuesday, where I think we averaged down on a few trades, and then they ended up basically working out. So I remember on Tuesday there was like an opportunity, I think, where like we went short. Yeah, we went short basically over here, something here, right? And then it went higher, and then we went short again and then it ended up really tumbling. So today was a similar situation where they were forcing you to take stabs at multiple trade setups, and I would rather not trade like that. Like that's like a way more aggressive, faster paced, not as safe trading strategy. So yeah, it is. Yeah, I'm pretty sure we had a perfect week. I don't think I lost a trade. Yeah, guys, sorry. Today's been pretty uneventful in terms of day trading. Um, I really appreciate you guys being here though and spending some time and hanging out. But yeah, man, I wish it was more eventful. I wish everyone made a bit more money, took some more trades, you know. I hope everyone did well today, regardless though. Mm, I do not understand how to use your app. Can you make a video to explain it, please? Yes. So basically, if you click on people's profiles on the app, different traders, right? If you click on the subscribe button, then you basically get push notifications whenever they share trades. So you get notified whenever someone enters or exits a trade if you click on the subscribe button. So by default, I am automatically subscribed to everyone. But if you want to get trades from anyone else, you click subscribe on their profile and then you get notified when they share trades as well. Man. Let's see if we can break above 448 today. That'd be pretty bullish. 448, 448.50. We need to break above that for a continued move to the upside. Otherwise, this is not. If we fail at 447, then and we fall back down to like 444 or 445, it would be really difficult to bring it back up. Let's see. Yeah, even the fact even the fact that this held, right? This is not this would be this would be like the equivalent of basically taking like a first stab, light calls, right? And then if it falls lower, you would have to average in and then it would bounce. But they're just bouncing it on the first instance of a buy opportunity. So they've been doing that all day basically. And yeah. It is what it is. Can you guys post in the chat? Can you guys put ones in the chat if you guys went long at 443? If you guys took the swing longs, please. Put some ones in the chat if you guys made money on those, at least. On the swings. Mm-hmm. Good job. Stagnate between a bunch of past trading is ultimately a history lesson on market movement. Yep, I shorts off B bands would good. Oh, so, what I call it? Nope, you're up. Jax. I don't know, man. I'm hitting today. Good stuff. Congrats. Love it. Love to hear it. Same. We'll definitely update soon once there's an update. Thank you, man. I appreciate you. Same. YW, appreciate your explanation on price action. Thank you so much. I'm glad I could help. Can you go over how much each? Guys, also please just put some ones in the chat if you guys made money on the swing that we just sold. Yes, sir. I took some trades. It was nice. Thanks for providing community trade. Nice. Happy to hear it. The real cookies. Tacos on this awesome Friday. Yeah, man. I want some steak or something. Oh, yeah, bro. Where's the app on iOS? On iOS, if you type in wave get signals in the App Store or the Play Store, just type in wave get signals and then you'll see the app. Christopher Pratt, thank you so much, man. Angel called at 4:43 and exited all at 4:47 just now. Thanks, bro. Made 600 bucks. That's nice. That's awesome, man. That's beautiful. Catch the bottom. Yeah. Okay, some ones. Aaron, same. Jack, busy, Jason. Nice, nice, nice. Okay. Nice. Cole. Oscar. Hawk. Alright, nice. Okay. People made money. Nice. Beautiful. Alright, so it's not like it was all a waste. People, at least you guys made money on the swings, which is nice. That's good. All I can say is that next week is going to be very, very interesting. We have CPI data on Wednesday, and then we have options expiring on Friday. So it's going to be really, really interesting. Will, when you click on your profile, once you download the app, when you click on the profile, it says join Discord. And then in the Discord, there's an educational section. And that's where you'll see a Google Drive with everything there. And yeah, man, honestly, today it was, they were forcing you to take multiple riskier, they were making you respond much quicker to certain trades. They weren't giving like the safest opportunity for today. So I was not really in the mood of risking taking a bunch of trades. And yeah, I was way safer today. And that's, better than losing money. We did well on the swings. We didn't lose trades, and that's always good. And we monitored how the market movement and everything is compared to how it normally is. So that in and of itself is also good that we're cognizant of that. And everyone in the chat is killing it. Honestly, when I read the chat, it's like everyone is going really, really well, man. And it's awesome. Like, it's crazy to see, man. I'm like flabbergasted. Like, you guys are killing it, honestly. Like, when I read the chat and you guys are saying like amazing, awesome, like just awesome plays. It's just so good to be here, man. It's crazy. Like, just based off of what you guys are saying, I could make trades and just be lazy, and it's freaking awesome. Like, it's that in and of itself is a blessing, man. Like, the fact that you guys are here, just trading and spending your mornings here, just chatting and just, it's awesome. It really, really makes me smile, man. It's so cool that there's so many people like this here, and just it's crazy, honestly. Like, if I had that when I first started trading, man, it would have saved years of wasted time. But yeah, man, it's awesome, honestly. And you guys, I have nothing but love and like respect for you guys, man. You guys are awesome. Cannot wait to like eventually have a meetup. But yeah, man, just a lot of things that I'm doing right now. I have no time. But eventually, we gotta do something. Maybe we can start going long here. 4580. This is the same this is literally the same thing. Going long here, you would have to go long light, and then if it falls down lower, you would have to average in. It's basically the exact same thing as what's been going on all day, to be honest. I mean, like the way that it's been moving all day, this long is gonna work. But again, it's not the safest long opportunity to try to go long here. But yeah, I think we did pretty good today, regardless. We didn't take any dumb trades, and most of the trade setups worked out, and our longs worked out, so that's nice. But yeah. this worked too. It's crazy. Drew this out that we should fall to 445.80 and then bounce. The fact that this worked as well, it's just oh man. Oh man, yeah. Oh, this is hilarious. Damn. Entering longs at 445.90. Oh, nice. Good stuff. Good stuff, you near. Me, I got strike 447, went long, didn't get out in time, hoping it goes up again to make profit. Oh, yeah. It needs to hold above 446.20. And if it does that, it could start to make a bit higher. Hope it works. Varun, are you based in New York? Hamid, yes. Better support. Green today, walk is not surprising. Price action has been this choppy today. I mentioned that earlier. Yep. Yeah, you know, like it didn't even look choppy in the moment, but it's been pretty choppy so far. Top cat. It's not easy saying, but I blew up two $10,000 accounts, and I've been doing this 25 years. Damn. Yeah, you know, Undivine asked if you have a trading journal. Yeah, trading journals are really, really important to have. And I'm just, this is crazy. Like, they are just making it rip at the first instance of any sort of buy or sell opportunities. They're not giving people like the safest opportunity. It's crazy. The most, you don't think we'll see 445? I think if we break below 445 and retest 445.50, then the move to 448 or 449 won't happen until after CPI data or after. I don't think we see 445 today. That would be really, really devastating to bulls. Maybe. Maybe. This is what needs to hold for a continued move up. All right, guys. Every oh yeah, man. I'm gonna go ahead and call it a day. Every single trade basically would have worked out had we just taken a light position, but I was trying to be way more safe with the trades. We didn't take any, but it is what it is. But yeah, man. Hope you guys had a good day. You guys made some money. I know you guys made some money. And yeah, man. You have a wonderful Friday. And yeah, man. You want to keep that 100% win rate. I could care less about the win rate. It's just I wanted to just take safe trades. I didn't want to. The main thing is I didn't want to have to take trades where people would have to average in. I didn't want to risk people basically losing money. But yeah. Oh well. It's life. But yeah, man. Had a pretty good week regardless. Had a good day. Happy to see everyone killing it as well, man. Love you guys, man. Good job, everyone. Keep up the good work. Good stuff, honestly. Yeah, man. Cool. Yeah, man. Make sure you guys enjoy today and enjoy the weekend. Sometimes like people need to decompress. You guys need to take some time, go for a walk, get some sun. Sun is super underrated. We don't get enough sun. Definitely get some sun. Wake up early on like the weekends. Get like a coffee, go for a walk. You know, spend some time next to water. Get some sun, you know, stuff like that. It's super important. But yeah, man. Hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. Love you guys. Sincerely from the bottom of my heart. Thank you guys so much for all of your love, your support, everything, man. It means the world to me. And yeah, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. And yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow, and then I'll post either tomorrow or on Sunday for sure. All right. Cool. All right. Take care. Have a good one. Love you guys. Bye. Have a good one.